Okay, let's create a new test project. First thing we want to do is to launch Test Console from the desktop. And then we'll come in here and click on New to open a new project. Then we're going to choose the project title that corresponds to the testing we're going to be running. I'm going to be doing Workstation Full, so that's what I'm going to select. Now here I can accept this default name, or I can give it a custom name. So let me go ahead and I'll just give it a custom name here. And I'm just going to call this test-run. You can't have any spaces, but you can use dashes and underscores. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now that the test project is created, you can install the system test kit on the system under test.